We'll demonstrate couching stitch. Couching stitch requires 2 threads. One serves as main thread. Another serves as auxiliary thread. Auxiliary thread used to secure main thread. Like this. Let me demonstrate. Also come up from left of line. Then take down at other end of line. Stitch 1 long straight line. If 1 straight line isn't enough, can return needle to left. Come up here close to previous stitch at line end. Take down at other end. Stitch 2 straight lines. This way will be fuller. After stitching main thread, we need at each anchor point here. Stitch auxiliary thread to secure this middle main thread. If can't see it, can use needle to separate main thread. Hold down with finger. This way can see anchor point more clearly. Come up at anchor point here. Cross over main thread. Take down at other end anchor point. Pull thread. This way, main thread is secured. Let me demonstrate again. Use needle to separate main thread. Come up at upper anchor point. Cross over main thread. Take down at lower anchor point. Note anchor point thread. Don't pull too tight or too loose. Maintain balanced tension. This stitch, perfect for decorative embroidery, creates very delicate effects. Let's see the overall finished effect.